Hey there, little builders! Are you ready to explore the amazing world of construction vehicles? On every big construction site, you'll find powerful machines working hard to dig, lift, carry, and build. From mighty excavators to strong dump trucks, let's discover all the cool vehicles that help build roads, bridges, and buildings. Are you ready? Let's get started. Digging and excavating vehicles. These vehicles are used for digging and removing soil. Excavator. A powerful machine with a long arm and bucket for deep digging. Backhoe loader. A versatile machine with a digging bucket at the back and a loader in front. Trencher. This machine digs narrow trenches for pipes, cables, and drainage. Dragline excavator. Uses a long boom and cable system to dig deep and wide areas. Suction excavator. Uses a strong vacuum to remove dirt and debris safely. Compact excavator. A compact excavator, also known as a mini excavator, is a smaller version of a standard excavator. It is used for digging in tight spaces where larger machines can't fit. Road and ground work vehicles. These vehicles are used for leveling, paving, and road construction. Bulldozer. Bulldozer pushes dirt and rocks with a big metal blade in front. Wheel loader. Has a big bucket in front to lift and move heavy materials like sand, gravel, and soil. Grader. A grader has a long blade to create a flat and even surface before paving a road. Road roller. Uses a heavy drum to flatten and compact soil, gravel, or asphalt. Paver. A paver lays down asphalt evenly to build roads and highways. Scraper. Moves large amounts of dirt to level the ground quickly. Asphalt distributor. An asphalt distributor, also called a bitumen sprayer or tarmac machine, is a specialized vehicle used in road construction to spray hot liquid asphalt evenly onto a surface before paving. Lifting and carrying vehicles. These vehicles are used for lifting heavy materials and workers to high places on construction sites. Crane. A tall machine with a long arm used for lifting heavy materials high up. Tower crane. A large crane used for building skyscrapers and tall structures. Mobile crane. A crane on wheels that can move around to lift materials. Forklift. A small but powerful vehicle used to lift and move heavy pallets and boxes. Telehandler. A combination of a forklift and crane with an extendable arm for lifting materials to high places. Boom lift. A boom lift, also called a cherry picker, is a construction vehicle used to lift workers to high areas for tasks like maintenance, painting, or electrical work. Scissor lift. A platform that moves up and down in a scissor-like motion to lift workers. Moving and transporting vehicles. These vehicles are used for carrying heavy materials, equipment, and debris across construction sites. Dump truck. Carries and dumps sand, gravel, and debris at construction sites. Cement mixer truck. Mixes and transports wet concrete to construction sites. Articulated dump truck. A flexible, heavy-duty dump truck for rough terrains. Flatbed truck. Has a large open platform to carry construction materials like steel beams and pipes. Lowboy trailer. A special truck with a low deck used for moving heavy machinery like bulldozers and excavators. Tipper truck. Similar to a dump truck, but designed for quicker unloading of materials. Heavy hauler. Used for transporting massive equipment and machinery. water tanker truck. Carries water to control dust and compact soil at construction sites. Specialty construction vehicles, used for specific tasks. Tunnel boring machine. Tunnel boring machine, or TBM, digs tunnels underground for roads, railways, and pipelines. Pile driver. Hammers large steel or concrete piles into the ground to support buildings and bridges. Concrete pump truck. Pumps wet concrete to high places or hard-to-reach areas. Railway maintenance vehicle. Railway maintenance vehicles are used for repairing and maintaining train tracks. Snowplow truck. Clears snow and ice from roads during winter. Feller buncher. Cuts and stacks trees and logging operations. Wow, that was awesome! Now you know so many cool construction vehicles and what they do, from digging deep with excavators to lifting high with cranes and paving roads with rollers. Every machine has a special job. Mama, which construction vehicle was your favorite? Let us know. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun videos. See you next time, little builders.